And there, what's in the bag? Huh? Some steakums? What you got? What you got?
Hey guys, welcome to a new edition of Chef Hubby. Right now I'm chopping up garlic, getting everything started. I'm gonna get the steaks prepared. This garlic is actually for the green beans, so I decided to do a little saute for the green beans, and I love chopping up garlic. I put a little salt on it. I already have the salt on there, but you can't see it. But now I'm gonna actually get the steaks going. Here I prepared 4 steaks, 10-ounce strips. I have a sweet mesquite seasoning that I kind of put together that I love, and I'll probably make a video for you guys if requested. So look out for that as well. But I put these seasoning on not too early. Well, actually, I did it very early. You know what? Not supposed to season your meat too late in advance. You want to make sure that you season it as quickly as possible because you don't want to dry out the steak with the salt, and you want the steak to kind of shine through. So we're gonna get a little bit of cook here, and as you can see, the steaks are already hot, not too piping hot, so you don't want to burn the seasoning. It's very important because it does have a sugar element in it. It has salt, sugar, different spices all mixed up together, so you want to have a nice not slow, but you want to have a good rhythm going for your steaks as well. And the green beans are going to get ready as well. I'm going to blanch these. I actually have a little bit of chicken stock in the water, and I put a little salt in there as well. So you want to have it on high heat. You want to try to get it close to boiling as possible when you add them. And if not, then that's fine. This is not really piping hot. It's kind of a little bit under, but it's okay. It's hot nevertheless. So you want to just get that going over there. As you can see, I got my other stuff over there ready to go for my saute. So now I'm gonna do some bacon. I'm doing lardons, and I'm actually with bacon you don't have to have a piping hot pan. You can just kind of get it together slowly, like I'm doing it right now, and just kind of sorting it out. And it's a little bit. I left the bacon out a little bit too long. As you can see, it's kind of flipping all over the place. So, but that's fine though. You want to just get that in there like that. Get it going, and soon it will be ready like that. So that's good. Yeah, look at that. Those are nice lardons. Flip them up. Yeah, like that. So now you want to get those together. Then you want to flip your steaks. Flip them good, slowly, not too fast. It's not too much of a mess. Yeah. Yeah. Get on there. Oh, there you go. Sometimes you gotta spank your steak. Yeah, flip that over. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's a nice color. Not too bad. Can't complain. Now you want to put your compound butter. So what I did with this compound butter is I actually added a little cilantro. I had some very creamy butter that I used. I actually have sauteed onions inside of this butter as well. So it's gonna be very delicious, very good. It's gonna kind of seep into the meat as the meat cooks on the other side. So I know it seems like a lot, but it's gonna make sense, trust me. It's really, really good to put on your steaks at this point. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel to get this compound butter recipe, because I'll give it to you. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Those steaks look really good. So now we're gonna work on this bacon, get it going. And bacon is kind of tricky because you don't want to overcook it, but you don't want to overcook it or undercook it. But now we got the onions being, I'm gonna get a little that's the sound that it was making. So yeah, that's good. Look at that. Yeah, nice onions. Ooh, I prefer you to get these onions a little bit darker than I did, but I was kind of just speeding up the process at this point. But the darker you get your onions, the more deeper the flavor, the better it is. I just went on and added my green beans, get that nice flambe going. And here I'm adding salt. And this is actually sea salt, guys. You don't want to add table salt. You want to add some nice sea salt to this dish so it can have a great flavor. And also you want to add some black pepper. I'm doing black pepper right here. I got the big end open, so be careful with sprinkling pepper if you're not really careful. And I got some garlic right there. That's some of that garlic that I chopped up earlier. Put that in there, flip it around, flip it, shake it. Then you move it around a little bit to kind of get everything going. You can also add Worcestershire to this. You can add any type of soy sauce or whatever flavor you decide. You can add peanuts, you can add almonds. I'm just doing a basic green bean, not too fancy, just kind of getting straight to the point here with nice flavor. And those green beans are also, you know, they're blanched in chicken stock, so they're gonna have a really nice flavor to them. Nothing bland, and everything's gonna be good. So here I'm adding a little bit of smoked paprika, just to kind of give it a little bit of smokiness and also color, and just kind of liven it up a little bit. So I'm stirring this around, kind of getting those, marrying it together like that. Then I'm gonna just look at it, kind of let the heat do its work, and just start to see the transition of the, like that. Cool. And those are haricot verts, you guys. Haricot verts. Then you add your bacon back in there, kind of like let that just chill out, chillax, if you will. And then you get back to these steaks. And now you can see the butter has actually combined with the steak. And it's being, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's all in there. And I add a little MALDON salt to the steaks. Now the MALDON salt creates not only a crunchy texture, but it also melts and creates a very, very decadent experience for these steaks. And I love MALDON. It's the best salt that you could possibly get other than Celtic salt. I know people like Himalayan salt, but this salt right here, look at that salt. Look, check it out. Look, can you see it? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I moved it around for you. Here, you can see that. Yeah, that's salt. That's real salt. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, get you some. So anyway, so the steaks are done nicely, beautifully. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's a quick made chimichurri sauce, guys. That's what that is. It's a chimichurri and hiri. That's what I call it. Chimichurri and a hiri. So yeah, you see that? It's not too bad. Look at that little mountain. Yeah. Never mind the fries. They were chopped, but they look good. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop a new video every week, guys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get new updates from Chef Hubby. Love you guys. See you later.